Good afternoon, folks. It's Tomb Raider. I'm back on my Quest 3 headset, checking out more virtual reality worlds. This one, it's called Alexandra Buckle. VR Art Gallery Alexandra Buckle. You can obtain the app from the MetaQuest App Store. This one is free. You can find out more information about the artist. I'm sure if you Google her, what I have noticed is that she draws and paints mostly about nature, flowers, and such. Sometimes you really have to get closer if the paintings are kind of small, like in this section here. Countryside paintings. Let's move around. Whoa. Ah, tea gardens. Evergreen. Oh, that one is pretty. So if you feel the need to step into a gallery, if you want to just lose yourself in some paintings, make sure you check out her gallery. It's a nice view. Sea pinks. Oh, these two, Bluebell Symphony, these two are lovely. Palladian Bridge. And you can teleport by moving the left or right joystick forward or backwards. There's also a faint music, background music in the gallery. Oh, Bluebell Solitude. It's nice. You can see the reflection of the other walls here. This is a good job. And as you teleport, you hear footsteps, which are yours, as you move along her gallery. Alexandra Buckle. See more? Music by Leonard Cox. The redwoods. Oh, look at all those. Golden Sunset. Brackley Lake. one is gorgeous. The Clayton Pond reflections. Lakeside puddles, very nice too. South Bank puddles. Yeah, I like this one too. Oh, the tea garden path. Delightful. All right, so again, the app is called Alexandra Buckle, VR Art Gallery by Alexandra Buckle. You can find out more about the artist by Googling her name, whether on Wikipedia or any other of the Google sites. And it is free of charge from the MetaQuest App Store. This is all for now. Tomb Raider les desea a todos un bello fin de semana. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which you can find in YouTube. YouTube under Tomb Raider 582, all one word, Tomb Raider, just like Lara Croft, Tomb Raider. 582, that's my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, and also you can follow me on X at Tomb Raider 75. Just hit the follow, and that way you can find out about more virtual reality worlds, events. Also, you will find information on technology, which is a passion of mine. Anything about electric vehicles, electric bicycles, what took place on CES, the Consumer Electronics Show, this year. That took place last week. So basically, that's my social media. Again, Tomb Raider 75 on X platform, formerly known as Twitter, or on YouTube, Tomb Raider 582. Hasta luego. Ciao.